How you doing, folks? My name is Sean McVay with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and I have my new bow fishing rig all set up. I just wanted to show it to you, give you some ideas if this is something you're interested in getting into. So for my bow fishing rig this year, I'm going with the, and I might not pronounce it exactly correct, but Nika Archery. They recently sent me this nice recurve, and I gotta say, it's a really nice bow. The grip is just such a smooth wood handle. It feels very comfortable. It's a 60-inch bow. I'm shooting it with 30-pound limbs. At my draw length, I'm probably pulling more like 45. But this is something that'll work well on the stream, especially if there's some tree limbs around. You know, a longer bow. The more bow you have, the more you have to contend with. But this will be a good situation. Now, for the arrow and the spool, I mean, I just went with something that was inexpensive, and I still have to tighten it all the way on. That's why it's spinning a little bit. I gotta use a little wrench. I just hand tightened it on. But this is the fin finder, and this is just gonna tie onto this little slider piece on the arrow, which I haven't even had a chance to tie it on yet. This is a Muzzy arrow, and basically what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought these parts. I have this hook style rest. You can just, drop it down in there, and it's going to stay in there. Like if you're running around, moving around, there's a little V notch in the bottom. And again, this is just a fairly inexpensive rest. Everything about this setup, the arrow, the rest, and the fin finder, these were all fairly inexpensive. And I just wanted to see what was the least expensive way I could go to get a bow fishing rig set up. Because I'd like to get into doing some more of that if the opportunity presents itself this year. So I'll provide links, for these types of things if that's something you're interested in. If you got a recurve that'll take, a stabilizer screwing into it, you can get one of these to put on there. You just need the arrow. This type of arrow rest is a little bit helpful. I will also put a link for the upgraded. There's one where you can actually reel it in that I would prefer. It just costs quite a bit more money. And again, I was trying to go as inexpensive as possible. So there you have it. This is my bow fishing rig for this year. Hopefully, God willing, I'll get a chance to use it a little bit. Stay tuned, because if I do, I'll be making some videos with it. God bless. Thanks for watching.